G'day everyone, Ian Fegan here, also known as Professor Shoelace. Today's shoelacing tutorial is of train track lacing. It's a simple method with the tracks on the outside, sleepers on the inside, resembling train tracks. Let's have a look at that firstly on my Ian Shoelace site. Just zoom in on this site, scroll up to the diagram and animate it for you. And you can see that the inside has all the horizontals and the outside has all the verticals, and the result is like train tracks or railway tracks. Yeah, let's look at that on a real shoe. I've started with the lacing running straight across and out through the bottom eyelets. Now on each side we simply run straight up the outside in through the next higher eyelet. Straight up the outside, in through the next higher eyelet. Now we run the laces alongside each other and straight back out the inside through the same eyelet that the other side went in through. So we are dual purposing those eyelets. Again, straight up the outside, in through the next higher eyelet. Straight across the inside and out through the same eyelet that the other side went in through. Now because we're dual purposing those eyelets, this makes the lacing very firm and secure because there's extra holding power at each eyelet. Now we'll just work our way up the shoe. Can speed this up a bit by doing both simultaneously. And when we reach the top, feed in through the top eyelets, and that's where you would tie it off with your favourite knot. I'm using my Ian knot, the world's fastest shoelace knot, and that's the finished train track lacing with the tracks running outside, sleepers on the inside, and because nothing's running over the edges of the shoe, gives them a bit of extra flexibility, makes it more comfortable to wear, and it's nice and firm, as I said. Anyway, that's train track lacing. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want more information, diagrams and animated instructions, you can go to Ian's Shoelace site.